Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quantitative aptitude educator for all banking and insurance exam at Entry App. So guys, in this video we gonna talk about what is the previous year paper analysis. Basically we'll be doing the previous year paper analysis of IDBI executive. So guys, you all know that IDBI has released around 950 plus posts for executive for 2021 recruitment. So in this video we'll be trying to analyze what was the level of the question in the previous year and what was the number of question from a particular topic, guys. And one more thing I need to tell, if you didn't download the Entry App, guys, you can download the Entry App. You can start your free bank exam preparation for the 2021 exam, guys, with free high quality mock tests and video classes. Apart from the YouTube comment, you can also connect with me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, guys. So you all guys know that there are three sections being asked in the IDBI executive. One is quant, guys, another one is reasoning, and the third one is English, guys. So from each section you will have 50-50 question. So guys, based on these 50 questions, we have now previous year paper analysis, the number of question from a particular topic and the level of the question as well. So let us discuss, guys. You guys were telling me, sir, please come with a video like this. So here I am with the video. So guys, this is the quantitative aptitude paper analysis, and let us check what was there in the question paper. So guys, 50 total number of questions were there, 50 for the 50 marks, you all know that. And guys, 5 to 6 questions were there from the missing number series, guys, and very easy level, guys. Data interpretation question, 20 questions, 4 sets were there including case-led DI, guys. Yes, if we talk about the category, so guys, table based DI, bar graph, case-led DI, pie chart DI. Quadratic equation के क्वेश्चन थे, 5 क्वेश्चन वर देयर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, एंड आई मस्ट से कि दीज क्वेश्चन वर ऑफ वेरी इजी लेवल. जो अप्रोक्सीमेशन के क्वेश्चन थे अगेन 5 क्वेश्चन थे, और जो अर्थमेटिक के क्वेश्चन थे गाइस वो 15 थे, और ये इजी टू मॉडरेट थे, गाइस, इजी टू मॉडरेट थे. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द चैप्टर्स इन द अर्थमेटिक, गाइस, टाइम एंड वर्क, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, परसेंटेज, रेशियो, age, so partnership, SI and CI. So these were the question, these were the topic from which the questions were there in the examination. Let's talk about the, guys, reasoning and ability section. Reasoning ability section, guys, Silog is 5 questions, simple question. Only 2 questions were there, only a few, otherwise questions were very simple. Inequality, guys, 5 questions, very simple question. Coding, decoding, 5 questions, Chinese based coding were there basically. Puzzle and sitting arrangement, guys, 5 sets were there based on which you had 25 questions. And if we talk about the categorization, guys, floor based puzzle were there, person living on 8th floor and they have to attend a meeting on different timings, guys. So this was there. Box based, 9 box arrangement was there. Circular based sitting arrangement, 7 people facing inward, this was the circular sitting arrangement. Linear person, so guys, you all know that ki unknown number of person sitting in a row, this is a very most popular sitting arrangement. So guys, this question were there. 7 people going to 3 different countries, like 3 different colors. So guys, this puzzle was there. This is a classification based puzzle. So overall 25 questions were there. Miscellaneous, guys, 10 questions were there. Miscellaneous 10 questions were there, from which the number series question and word formation, pairing. So these questions were there, and the total number of questions were there, 10 from the miscellaneous. So this is how 50 questions were there from the reasoning and ability section, guys. Reasoning ability section. Talk about the, guys, English language section. So guys, 10 question from the reading comprehension, one reading comprehension or one passage was there based on the satellite inventions. 3 questions on vocab, 1 fill in the blank, and beamed synonym was there, and surface antonym was there. Obviously we need to find the synonym of that word and antonym of that word. Meaning of phrase at an instant, this was the phrase, guys, given on reading comprehension. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 question was there, and rest of the 3 question directly based on the paragraph. Single fillers 5 question were there, closed test 10 question, spotting error 4 question, and guys, these were of very simple nature. So you guys know that ki A, B, C, D and E, this is how the simple question from the spotting error formed. So these questions were there in the examination. Phrase replacement 4 question there. Word swapping 5 question there, guys. Word swapping is very most popular, we encounter in most of the shift of SBI Clerk 2021 word swapping, guys. So this was there in IDBI executive previous year paper as well. This is the 2019 2019 paper analysis, guys. Match the column, 2 to 3 question were there, word usage 5 question, and para jumble, guys, 5 question. Yeah, para jumble wise quite easy, guys, so no need to worry about that. So this was the, guys, question paper analysis and the level of the question. If we talk about the overall, so guys, very easy paper was there, easy to, and sometimes in some section for some for particular question were there easy to moderate, guys. If we talk about the best attempt, guys, 120 plus was the best attempt. Most of the student attempted 120 plus question out of 150. So this, yeah, 110 100 attempts was also there by some student, but you know, the excellent attempt, we must say the safer attempt was 115 plus or 120 plus. So this is how the question paper was in 2019 2019 का ये पेपर का एनालिसिस है. सो गाइज, आई होप आपके समझ में आया होगा. दिस इज आकाश शुक्ला साइनिंग ऑफ एंड गुड लक फॉर द एग्जाम, गाइज. प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल आल्सो, गाइज. और हाँ, अगर आप लोगों ने एंट्री ऐप डाउनलोड नहीं किया है, देन डाउनलोड द एंट्री ऐप आल्सो, गाइज. थैंक यू वेरी मच.